Gotta make sure the cable guide works this time. See if this configuration allows the Bowden cable around the corner to the derailleur without mucking up. Okay, Bike, are you going to do this for me? Because this weekend's race is important. Let's go out to the road and see if you are going to cooperate. I had to replace the whole cog set, so you should be happy, Bike. Okay, let's take you this way. Seems good. Seems good this far. We now join Hans Demonstrugel on what appears to be a test ride. Is that Mr. Demonstrugel what this is? Are you, as it appears you are, on some sort of trial run to see if this bike is up to snuff for the Great Bigfoot Believers Bike Fest multi-state race this weekend? Yeah, this is that. But what are you doing here? Oh, we have not been camping out to follow you around. No, this is not that. I was actually visiting an aunt who lives out here. I was just out stretching my legs on the old unicycle. This machine is pretty sweet. So, Hans Demonstrugel, do you have any parting comments for our viewers? How about you bugger off? Well, there you have it. We're gonna bugger off now. Buggering off.